watching Fly Mommy Fly. Today we are going to be making 2 dresses from one long dress, matching Mommy and Me dresses. First, you will fold the bottom of your dress up, then put your pattern down on that fabric. A baby dress works perfectly as a pattern as well. Now, since the dress I'm making is a tube top dress with straps, I made an approximate measurement of how much fabric I would need, and that's where I folded it and I cut it. I always like to use the bottom of the dress hem as the actual dress hem for my daughter's dress because it's already perfect. It's already hemmed. Less work for me. Since this dress has black straps, I used scraps from my black t-shirt to make the straps on her dress, and then I lined them up, and you can see where I'm going with this. It's always fun to customize your baby's dress to look like your dress, and you can just do this with things that you have around the house, and it's super fun to do with an old dress or an old shirt. Now that you have matching dresses, turn the panels of the baby dress, the front and the back, so that they face each other, and then sew the sides together. I used a straight stitch here for the sides, but I found that the zigzag stitch works better with this kind of stretchy jersey fabric. And that's why I used the zigzag pattern to finish off the top part of the dress. Then I pinned on those black straps exactly where I wanted them to be to match my dress. And then I secured the straps onto the dress with another zigzag stitch. Zigzag stitches give a little bit of leeway when you pull on them. It's not like a straight stitch, it actually has a little bit of bounce. And then after that, we're going to pin it to the back of the dress and sew that on as well. I love DIY projects that are super fast, really meaningful, and are fun to do. And if you have any ideas that are fast and easy of DIY projects that you've done before, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Now, this was a specific dress that I customized, but hopefully it will give you ideas on how to customize your own DIY Mommy and Me dress, or just a baby dress. If you don't want to make a Mommy and Me dress, you can totally use any item of clothing and make it into a baby dress. And here comes the most rewarding parts, turning it inside out and then seeing your baby wearing your dress. I even made a cute little bow with the remaining scrap fabric. I will link a DIY tutorial to this bow down below as well. I love how the dress turned out. It's flowy, fun, and fashionable. And of course, you never want to leave anyone out when you have a new baby, so I made a bandana for my other baby. He is so good at his role as the big brother. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe if you would like to see more fast, fun, and easy DIY projects. God bless you and have a beautiful day.